Every day, heaven opens its hands again, and God whispers to the earth, "Here, my child, is a new beginning." Not because we deserve it, not because we earned it, but because He is faithful and His love never fails. Every day is a gift, not just another date on the calendar, but a fresh start, a new opportunity to hope again, to believe again, to rise again. Maybe you've been praying, waiting, crying when no one sees. Maybe you've been feeling like you're drowning in the weight of life, feeling like you're not enough, feeling like you're forgotten. But listen, if you're still breathing, God is not done with you. You see, while the world may offer you temporary pleasures and empty promises, God offers you real hope, the kind that doesn't fade, the kind that holds you up when everything else falls apart. Every morning you open your eyes is evidence that God is not finished with your story. He gives new mercies every morning, not recycled ones, not leftover grace. Fresh mercies, fresh hope, fresh strength, because yesterday's tears don't cancel today's promises. There is nothing on this earth more powerful than God. Not your mistakes, not your past, not your pain. He who created the heavens and the earth, who holds galaxies in His hands, also holds you, your heart, your pain, your dreams, your destiny. People may walk away, plans may fail, you might lose things that mattered to you. But child of God, never forget this: there is nothing on this earth more powerful than God. So put your hope in Him, not in money, not in a job, not in people who change like the wind. Put your hope in the one who never changes, the one whose word is yes and amen, the one who parts red seas, who raises the dead, who turns ashes into beauty. Hope in God is not weak. It's not fantasy. It's power. It's the anchor of your soul in a world that keeps shaking. Hope in God is the anchor of the soul. It is what keeps us standing when everything else is falling apart. It is what brings light into our darkest nights. When you say, "I can't go on," hope whispers, "But God will carry you." When you say, "I've lost too much," hope replies, "But He is your restorer." When you say, "I'm afraid," hope says, "But He has not given you a spirit of fear." This is why we don't give up. This is why we rise again. This is why we wipe our tears and take the next step, because our hope is not in this world, it's in God, and He never fails. You may not understand the journey, you may not see the full picture yet, but trust this: God is still writing your story, and His endings are always better than your beginnings. So rise up, take a deep breath, and begin again, with our hope in God. Lift your eyes, lift your heart, lift your prayers, because today is a fresh start. Let the past go, let the pain rest. Let God take the pen and write a new chapter. It's a new day, a new hope, a new mercy. Our hope is in God.